Hello, in this presentation I'll take you through the research and preparation I've done as a foundation for creating an educational video. The aim of this video is to enlighten and engage young minds about the important role bees play in our environment. Bees confront various threats, and the video will shed light on these challenges while suggesting ways to aid their preservation. Targeted at students aged 10 to 15, the audience should have a basic grasp of nature and ecosystems. The content will be presented in a vibrant, interactive manner, incorporating colorful data visualizations. The video will convey strong messages, emphasizing the indispensable nature of bees in maintaining biodiversity and highlighting our duty to protect them. Video distribution will take place on platforms like YouTube, educational websites, as well as schools, libraries, and community gatherings. I went through some research to ensure the credibility and factual accuracy of my video. My investigation covered the various aspects of bees, including their habitats, species diversity, and ecological significance. I explored their remarkable contributions to pollination, biodiversity preservation, and economic value through honey and beeswax production. This basic study highlights the vital role bees play not only in our ecosystem but also in sustaining our economy. I explored factors like the risks they encounter, including pesticides, climate change, and pollution. This was to gather sufficient information for later use in my video. I concluded my research by imagining the consequences of bee extinction for our world and exploring possible measures to contribute to their preservation.
However,
Now I moved on to analyzing similar videos online. I searched YouTube for educational content designed for young viewers, following a style similar to what I have in mind. Specifically, I looked for videos that use digital illustrations instead of photos. One example I reviewed focused on climate change. I noticed it employed motion graphic design principles effectively, with clear vector graphics illustrating data, simple visuals, and concise narration. The smooth transition between images stood out as well.
Water is virtually everywhere.
The second video I looked at utilized straightforward animation with single-line illustrations. It employed a clear tone and simple graphics to effectively convey its message. Motion graphics were incorporated in a straightforward yet impactful manner, emphasizing key points and presenting information in a structured hierarchy, making it easily understandable to the viewers.
Birth, human babies are even wetter, being 75.
With big data, we've come to expect big responsibility.
The third video I studied had a well-organized layout that flowed smoothly. They put a lot of work into making the data graphics come to life, which gave me some ideas for my own video. They used patterns, repetition, and emphasized certain points to keep things engaging. Even though the shapes were basic, the way they animated them made it look very engaging.
We'll spin up an entire data center to quickly process it for you. Just sit back and let us handle the scaling. Google BigQuery encrypts,
Now we come to the part where I have to design and think about the assets to be used in my video. I will make digital manual illustrations, and where needed they will be vector graphics. I initially sketched them in Photoshop because it is easier at the concept stage. They will be finalized and vectorized if and where needed later. In the storyboard for my video, you'll notice that it's structured to fit within a 2 minutes time frame. I planned the sequence in 11 slides, each lasting approximately 10 seconds. The first 2 slides will serve as an introduction to bees, featuring some data in the form of text and voiceover, along with animations highlighting key facts about bees and their habitats. They will explore into various aspects such as bee species worldwide, depicted through text and maps. The third slide will illustrate the percentage of food crops pollinated by bees, while the fourth will highlight the vital role bees play in maintaining different ecosystems. Slides number 4 and 5 will focus on the relationship between bees and our food supply, emphasizing their significant contribution. Then in the 6th slide, I'll address the concerning issue of bee extinction, presenting statistics and animated graphics to highlight the urgency of the matter. The next slides, 7 through 8, will outline the various threats confronting bees, such as pesticides, deforestation, and climate change. Following that, we'll explore the implications of bee extinction. The last 3 slides, spanning the final 30 to 40 seconds, will focus on actionable ways to support bee conservation efforts. The concluding slide will deliver a final message, like "Together we can save the bees," summarizing the primary goal of the video for the viewers. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.